What's cooking good looking? What's cooking good looking? Oh, good looking. Hey, what's cooking good looking? Welcome to another edition of Cooking with the Duke, hosted by yours truly, T-Bone Mama Duke, aka The Duke. Before we begin this unboxing video, I just wanted to say a huge shout out, thank you to everybody at Traeger. It's been an honor cooking for them this summer, demoing all the good Traeger goodness. I've been lucky enough to cook on a few Traegers now, and I'm beyond pumped to be unboxing this one that they sent for little old me. I can't believe it. Just wanted to say thank you to Tom, and to Terry, and to Kirsty, and everybody at the Traeger. So I'm no stranger to cooking on the new digital Ironwoods. I'm being lucky enough to have Lucky here on loan to me this year, the first half of this year, but she's going on back home. I got my own one now. What are we waiting for? Let's unbox her. Am I right in saying this just lifts up? Ooh. There you go. Oh. So the great thing about Traegers is, if you got kids like me, you can turn this inside out, and you got a little sheriff's hut. More on that later. All right, so we got all the tools we need, all the nuts and bolts, screwdrivers, wrenches, etc. Everything's here. So I think what I'm gonna do is just lay everything out on the floor in front, and then we're just gonna do the build. That'd probably be the easiest way to do it. So we got a sticker pack and owner's manual. It's okay, we'll put those to the side. Okay, so we got legs, like ZZ Top. She got legs! That'll be the right. Okay, so I think we gotta twist this. This comes real well packed. Okay, for the purposes of this video, I think we're gonna twist it around. Oh, ain't she a beauty? Absolutely beautiful box fresh Traeger Ironwood. Look inside it is, well, really impressive how well that they box this up to come in. When the box arrived, I thought, where's the rest of it? So we got our grilling trays. Oh, she's nice and shiny and beautiful inside. Oh, I can't wait to get her dirty. Oh man! Okay, so our grills. Okay, so we got all our good stuff inside. So we take this out, so we're running a little bit less heavy. You can just read. Oh man, I never seen such a clean beauty. Okay, so sleek, so shiny. It's almost a shame we're gonna have to get her dirty. Right, so I think I'm gonna obey my instruction and say, that's the side table. Don't even know what that is. Sure, we'll find out. Oh, these are the out rails. Okay, that's the power cable and the thermometer cable. Okay, that's one side there. That's for the table, that goes there. Okay, I think we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, so we got the stickers, owner's manual, and the instructions, which no self-respecting man would ever use. Okay, let's get going. Right. Right. Oh man, look at that. Okay. So the box under there and A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, let's get it going. Step one is to flip her on her side to attach all 4 legs. You gotta, there are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and color coded. Even yours truly can't get this wrong. And we prop her in place with a little box. All right, let's see, there's a 1 there and a 1 there. So yeah, like that. Dudes and dudettes, I do apologize. I didn't realize that my microphone was switched off for the rest of this video. This was a nearly 2.5 hours assembly, so somewhere along the line, I didn't, we're just gonna have to go into voiceover mode. So here we go. The great thing about the Traeger assembly for this is it's so well planned and thought out. We got everything we need, you know, labeled with letters and numbers. So all you gotta do is grab a screwdriver when it says grab an Allen key. And you just add the nuts and bolts and there you go. And the little twisty as well. You got the beveled Allen key, which is very smart. I wonder why they call it an Allen key anyway. I mean, what if it was like a Duke key or a Duke key? Anyway, we're gonna put our little ash catch on it. This is where it clips in and out. Let's see if it works. Whoop. That way. And it works. Hey! Of course it works. Okay, now we add our bottom tray. This comes in 3 parts, so it's actually pretty straightforward once you get your head around how it works. You just connect them, screw them in place into the bottom of the legs, right side up, right way around, be sure. Now I said that this did take me 2.5 hours to put together. I think you could probably do it. I know somebody said it took them 90 minutes, but I took it easy because I wanted to make sure that I got everything right, because sometimes you can build these things and go, hang on, that's backwards. That's back to front. And I just didn't want to do it because this beautiful hunk of Traeger just deserved the attention, the time that it took. Traeger thought it out so well that I thought, you know, I just gotta go with the flow. Most of the assembly is one person, except for this bit where I had to get my mama Duchess Duke to help us out. She's actually pretty, look how strong she is. She's stronger than week-old me. Can't remember what we were talking about here, but we look pretty happy, so there you go. Hang on, give Daddy a little kiss. Give me some sugar. Mwah. I wonder if Hey, Bobby!
Yeah.
I'm terrible at DIY.
Yeah.
Especially anything electrical.
Yeah.
Yeah, most people are shocked when they experience my handiwork. Anyway, on with the destructions. Now, next up, I think we're gonna make the side table, the tray, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. This is pretty straightforward. But of course, I didn't manage to get it very straightforward. You got to put the shelving part together, and I went straight in with the stand. Okay, all right, there we go. You got to connect the shelves to the doodah. There it is. We're calling that the doodah. I don't know what you call it. I do apologize if anybody from Traeger's actually watching this. I don't know what all the parts are called, but I call this bit the doodah that connects to the shelf. That will have the top, and there's the top. Okay, of course this doesn't actually go on next, but we'll just make sure that, oh yeah, that's when we find out. We gotta put the screws in, but not fully, because what you're gonna do is hang the doodah off of the side of the grill, get her into position, just clip. There's a little, you feed it through the, you guide it through the hole there, and we're in position. That's it. And then that's when you tighten her up. Then we come in with the shelf top. Oh, now it is really coming together, people. Now a very unflattering angle of me screwing the top on. Gonna make a dad face there. Yep, dad face. Well, what's cooking, good looking? Can you handle it? Oh, I can't believe I just made that joke. Okay, we're getting our handle on. We are making some serious progress, people. You know when you're getting the handle on, you're really getting the handle on things. I don't know, whatever. Look, I'm happy to have reached this point, and it looks like we might actually be cooking on Sunny tonight. Because I'm actually getting pretty hungry at this point. Yeah, there we go. Traeger legit. Okay, now we gotta just get some screws in for our pop and lock rail. Look at that. Okay, literally popping. Okay, so we just gotta make sure which parts go where. They're all four of them are tailored to their sizable needs. So just pop and lock the pop and lock rail in, and then just screw them tight. That one was actually the easiest one going in. Kind of. There. There you go. Hey! And then just do the last couple ones there. Now we're really making some progress here because we're actually putting our little inside in. All the trays. And look at that, 1987. What a great year for barbecue and rock and roll. Look it up, kids. Some great albums come out that year. Okay, 1984 and 1987 considered the best years for rock and roll. Well, you know, modern rock and roll anyway, not like the great 60s stuff. But anyway, we are all together. Shazam. Let's put our little ash catch tray thing in. Now we just gotta power up. We're moving on to the next phase. We're gonna be seasoning the grill. Now I've done a few seasonings, had a few demos this summer, but I think I've never done a digital one, touchscreen one. I think it actually just does all the work for you. All you gotta do is power up. Hey, let's see if we can get a good angle here so you don't see my reflection. English, would you believe it? I speak the language. I speak it. Right, and there you go. You just press the buttons and follow the menu. Yep. Yep, we'll do that in a minute. We'll do that later. We don't want to just get seasoning because we're hungry. Oh man, we are hungry at this point. Here we go. Well, hang on a minute. We gotta get some pellets in there. Got the nearest one I could grab is some oak. You can't go wrong with oak smoke. I think we're gonna be doing a little badass birdie in a minute, so oak sounds good to me. I like oak, I like hickory chicken. Okay, anyway, here we go. We're all fueled up and we are ready to season her up. Nope, press it again. Hey, and we're up and away. So this is gonna take about an hour. And look at that, people. What an afternoon. Ain't that a beautiful thing? The sun has come out as well. The barbecue gods are singing our praises. They're saying, you got a new Traeger. Lord, rejoice. Seasoning is complete. Right, seasoning is complete. Now all that's left to do is a little maiden voyage coming soon in our next video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and all that good stuff so you can see what we're dropping next. Anyway, thanks for watching. Later, taters.